Hi, I'm Laura Wilburn, Director of Women's Ministry here at Core Church Los Angeles. I am so excited about the Core Women Community Blog. This is the place where you can connect with other women to stay encouraged in your faith. When you check out the events section, that's where you'll see our Christmas brunches, our women's retreats, and the other events that we host for our ladies. Next, we have the Bible study section, and that's where you can learn what we're studying in God's Word and how you can participate. Last but not least, we have the devotional section. These devotions are written to renew our minds and refresh our faith as women of God. It's my desire that we would think biblically, love fervently, and grow deeply in our walk with Jesus. So come on, ladies, pull up a chair and be a part of the Core Women Community Blog. And thanks for joining us here at corechurchla.org.